here, baby. Show them what you're working with.
This is an Allen L. Spencer vibration. Warning. This could be bad for your anatomy.
Mic check one. Mic check. Hit it.
Let's get it.
She coming in
House music.
Who she come with? I know who she's leaving with.
That's right. Make it blow out the hip. Make your backbone
better not
flip.
let your wife hear you say that.
Bounce.
They got something going on called a booty walk. Booty walk.
Back it up.
And bounce, and bounce, and bounce. Damn, these young girls know how to move their body. Make it do what it do, baby. Alright, yeah. That sound like some good house music right there. Make you wanna.
Back it up.
That's right. I didn't know y'all was gonna be here. Yeah.
Don't get scared now.
Yeah. Booty walk, baby. Booty walk.
House music. That's right.
Making my knees hurt. Back's all out. My neck is sore. Booty walk. Yeah. They was doing this in Chicago.
Back it up.
See that new dance they doing out there? What they call it? Booty walk. Something where you bounce your booty. That's right. Oh, they bounce it. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Let's get it.
Good Lord of mercy. Ain't that your wife over there? Make it do what it do, baby. Alright. She giving that man a workout. You better get over there.
House music.
There go that girl. There go that girl from last night.
That's right. Make your backbone flip.
Gotta be fake. Oh, that booty gotta be fake. Come on.
Let's get it.
Not the way that shit is moving now. Bounce.
Bounce.
Damn. You think that's fake? I'ma walk up on that. Oh, I'ma walk up on that. Yeah. Oh wait, there go her man. And that's a big brother right there.
This could be bad for your anatomy.